Okay, so someone asked me to do question 4 on exercise 10.3, so I'm going to just do that first. So a pattern of squares is built up from matchsticks as shown. So this is the first pattern, it has 1 square. This is the second pattern, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. This is the third pattern, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares. And then the fourth pattern. So this is my starting pattern, and I added on one around the edges, and then to go from here to here they added one around the edges, so you just added another one around the edges. So you're adding 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Alright. So the second part of the question says find an expression for n for the number of squares in the nth pattern. So what they're really saying there is find Tn. So again, our formula from our logbooks, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is your first term and d is your common difference. Okay, so a is 1 and d is 4, because I'm adding 4 squares each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so d is 4. So a is 1 plus n minus 1 times 4. So Tn is equal to 1 plus 4 and minus 4, multiply 4 by n, multiply 4 by minus 1. So then it's 4n minus 3, because 1 take away 4 is minus 3. So there's my general formula, or my nth term, or Tn, depending on what they refer to it. Okay, how many squares are in the 30th pattern? So you write down your formula, and instead of n you're putting in 30. 120 minus 3 is 117. Okay, so 117 squares in the 30th pattern. Alright, and then the last part says which pattern contains exactly 77 squares. So here we've been given the number of squares, which is Tn, and it's just algebra. I have a minus 3 and bring it over, it becomes a plus 3. So 80 is equal to 4n, so n is equal to 80 over 4, so n is equal to 20. So the 20th pattern has 77 squares. Alright, so that's all of question 4.